morning, friends, and welcome to preschool. I'm so glad you could join me this week. It's Mrs. Mozingo. We're going to go ahead and get started by standing up and saying our Pledge of Allegiance. So let's stand, put our right hand over our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right, it is May, and it is the 18th day of May. Now, if you notice, there's a birthday cake right here because it was Carly's birthday. Happy birthday, Carly. We hope you had a wonderful day. And let's go ahead and take a look. For Carly's birthday, we had a pink flower. What flower is going to be today? If we look at our pattern, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink. What's going to be right here? Blue. Excellent. I wonder what Carly did yesterday. I wonder if she had a cake that looked like that. Did you, Carly? Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 I gotta snap my fingers. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Snap those fingers. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Here we go. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, if we take a look, today is the 18th. It is Monday, May 18th, 2020. What kind of weather do we have outside today? Is it sunny? No. Sunny with clouds? No. Is it cloudy? Yes. It almost looks like it wants to rain. What kind of weather do you think we'll have tomorrow? Sunny, sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. Oh, I heard somebody say rainy. Ooh, I hope not. But the flowers do need some drinks, so it would be helpful. Let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Perfect. Let's count all the way to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's count backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Looking for a color. I'm looking for a color. Let's see. How about red? Can you find something red? Here it is. And how about Joy? What color is she? She is yellow. That's right. Do you remember what color Sadness is? What color is Sadness? Blue. How about some shapes? Can Can you find a shape that is gray? Yes, what shape is that? An oval. Can you find the rhombus? And what color is the rhombus? Red. How about this shape? What is this? It is a star. A star. It is a heart. What color is the heart? It's pink. That's right. Our nursery rhyme this week is Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Let's take a look at that video.
Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating some curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet
And that just shows that you can go ahead and act out Little Miss Muffet. Someone could be Little Miss Muffet. Someone could dress up as a spider. Sit there and pretend to come up beside her. That looks like lots of fun. All right, let's take a look at our coins. What is this one? A dime. Can you find the quarter? Point to the quarter. Here it is. Which one is the penny? Yes. You knew it was a penny because it has that brown color. What's our last one left? What is this one? It is a nickel. Excellent. What number is this? The number 4. How about this one? And if we don't know, we just come right here and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the number 7. This one? 9. Here? 10. And 10 we know because it's the first one that has 2 digits or 2 numbers. How about this one? 8, 6, 3, 2, 1. What number is this? 5. All right, we're going to work on numbers today. Last week you worked with Mrs. Hill and learned how to make number 1 and number 2. Today we're going to work on 3 and 4. To get started, though, we have to remember, where do we start our letters and numbers? Well, at the top, of course. If you have your boards, let's go ahead and get those out and point. Where do you start your letters at the top?
If you want to start a letter, then you'd better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top.
Start your letters
At the top, here we go. Where do you start your letters at the top? Pointing to the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
At the top.
If you want to start a letter, then you better
Remember to start it at the top, going down.
Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
It's the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Here we go, Oz. Let's reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Top, bottom, shake it.
Shake it in the middle.
Top, bottom, shake it.
In the middle.
Top.
Bottom. Shake it in the middle.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better started at the top.
Here we go.
Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top, top, top?
Yes, it's the top, top, top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Move to the rhythm.
All right. Let's go ahead, and we're making the letter or the numbers 3 and 4. So with numbers 3 and 4, for 3 we need 2 little curves. So take out your 2 little curves, and we're going to start at the top under Mr. Matt's smiling face. We're going to put 1 curve right underneath Mr. Matt's smiling face. Are we covering his face up? No. We start right under Mr. Matt's smiling face. We're going to take our other little curve, and we're going to put it right underneath. And there we've made the letter 3, or the number 3. I keep saying letter. And we go like this. Hands in lap, listening ears on, inside voices off. My turn. Little curve, little curve. And we made the letter 3. Number 3. Goodness gracious. One more time. My turn. Hands in lap, listening ears on, inside voices off. My turn. Little curve, little curve. And we've made the number 3. Do it with me. Fingers at the top. And you say, little curve, little curve. What number is that? The number 3. We're going to take off our little curves, and we're going to make the number 4. So we're going to grab a little line and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Now we're going to grab another little line, and it's going to go at the bottom of that little line, and it's going to go across. Now we're going to grab a big line down and attach it. And we've made the number 4. Let me show you how to make the number 4. Hands in lap, listening ears on, inside voices off. My turn. Little line down, little line over, frog jump up, big line down. One more time. My turn. Listening ears on, inside voices off, hands in lap. My turn. Starting at the top under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Little line down, little line over, frog jump up, big line down. All right. Let's go ahead and do it together. Fingers at the top. Ready? Little line down, little line over, frog jump up, big line down. Last time, practicing together. Fingers at the top. Little line down, little line over, frog jump up, big line down. Excellent job. That was the numbers 3 and 4. I can't wait to see you back here tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day. Mrs. Nichols is our story reader this week. She is reading stories about animals and how they grow. And today I think her story is about a puppy. I'd love to have a puppy. They're so much fun. And I know that we have lots of friends whose butterflies or whose caterpillars have turned into chrysalis. They've created their chrysalis, which means the next step is butterfly. On Thursday for our Zoom, we're going to talk about what we need to do for when they come out of their chrysalis. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, catch me for music. See you in a little bit. Bye.